On the slopes, a 78-year-old South Carolina woman is now in a wheelchair after being hit by an out-of-control snowboarder at Copper Mountain.
And now she and a friend she met at rehab are using their experiences to try to bring about change. Denver 7's Lance Hernandez with their recommendations tonight.
These two injured skiers say they are the senior poster children for what they hope is a new urgent campaign to promote safety on Colorado ski slopes.
A snowboarder came from somewhere and slammed into me from behind.
Catherine Jeter was skiing at Copper Mountain March 8th when the snowboarder smashed into her. She says the impact was excruciating.
And I went flying and cartwheeling down the mountain.
Every time her spinning legs hit the ground, she felt bones break in both legs and one ankle.
These are the screws that hold it in place.
Jeter is an extremely active 78-year-old. She bicycled cross-country 6 years ago and climbed Mount Kilimanjaro 3 years ago. Now she's on a mission to draw attention to the need for safety improvements on Colorado slopes. She wants the industry to have a frank conversation about the issue.
Should we begin to approach it with the requirement to watch a safety video before you buy a ticket? Or you required to have insurance like you have when you drive a car?
We need to make the mountain aware that there is a problem, and what can we do to help solve it?
Patrish Keonig is recuperating at the same rehab hospital Jeter is. She was injured February 12th at Vail when she was knocked out cold by a hit-and-run skier. She suffered a concussion, broken arm, pelvic, and rib fractures. Keonig said she'd like to see the ski areas install cameras on the slopes so collisions might be recorded. Colorado Ski Country USA says the industry promotes safety in a variety of ways, including a January Ski Safety Month. A spokesman says they don't keep statistics on the total number of injuries. Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.